Hello, very good day for you. Today, Agripedia YouTube channel is going to talk about one of new technological innovations coming from the USA. This is in the tea sector. The new robot is serve up coffee and tea on one kitchen restaurants in the USA. This is a news coming from the worldtvnews.com website. So today we are going to check what is this news. So, what do you think the when will your next cup is served by the robots? So this is now is a reality. The USA, the one of leading robotic technology company, Richtech Robotics International, have come up with one of leading technology, the AI and robotic technology hybrid approach to serve you tea from the robot. So this robot is available with the touch screens with the high tech. So then you can order the whatever the tea or coffee you want with your taste profile. So then this robot will generate the tea for you and serve to you at short time. So as well as this robot also have one of new technology to pay to the robots. So then you no need to pay to the restaurants, you no need for the person to pay for there. The robot is available with the payments platform, so you can pay to the robots and then he can accept your cards or whatever the payments method. So currently this service is available on one kitchens restaurants on the the supermarket chain in the USA. In the future it will spread throughout the world as leading technology. This is news about the world tea news. It is coming from USA. This talk about how robotic technology can be used in the beverage industry. With that, we can conclude our today's sessions. Thank you very much.